Hi everyone, welcome to back the channel Auto Rush. Today, we delve into something powerful, iconic, and built to conquer both terrain and time. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor. A machine that reflects not only strength and precision engineering, but also reminds USA through its creation of the might and knowledge of the one who created man's intellect and ability to design. In the world of trucks, there are a few names that instantly command attention. The Raptor is one of them. It's not just a vehicle. It's a statement, a declaration of ruggedness, a testimony to power that, like all blessings, should be used responsibly and with gratitude. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Raptor different, and what makes it something we can reflect upon, in both its engineering and its purpose. The 2025 Ford F-150 Raptor isn't just a refreshed version of an old legend, it's an evolution, a reimagination of what an off-road pickup can be. Ford has taken the strengths of its predecessor and refined them to offer more power, more intelligence, and more control. In a way, it's a lesson for us all. Just like the Raptor evolves with every generation, we too are encouraged to evolve, yet to grow, to learn, and to strive for excellence. Under the hood, the Raptor comes with a 3.5-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine. It roars with 450 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. There's also the Raptor Raw, boasting a monstrous 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, generating over 700 horsepower. This is raw power. But as believers, we know a power alone is not enough. It must be controlled, directed, used for good. Just as the Raptor's suspension, drivetrain, and computer systems ensure the power is not wasted or destructive, our own strength must be guided by faith and wisdom. Speaking of guidance, let's talk about the Raptor's advanced suspension. With Fox-Live valve internal bypass shocks and a 5-link rear suspension with extra long trailing arms, this truck floats over rocks, dunes, and deserts with ease. It's designed for unpredictable terrain, for chaos. Much like life, we all face rocky paths, but with the right tools and the right faith, we can rise above challenges and keep moving forward. The Raptor is built for the wilderness, but it doesn't compromise comfort. Inside, you'll find a digital 12-inch instrument cluster, a 12-inch touchscreen with Sync 4 technology, and premium materials, leather seats, aluminum trim, and ambient lighting. The designers thought of every detail. And this reminds us of the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, teaching that Allah loves when someone performs a task with excellence. Whether it's building a truck or cleaning one's home, or simply offering a smile, attention to detail matters. The Raptor also comes with advanced off-road tech, trail control, Trail 1 pedal drive, and terrain management system with 7 drive modes: normal, sport, slippery, tow, haul, off-road, baja, and rock crawl. Subhanallah, 7 modes for different conditions. In our own lives, we must also have modes: times for patience, times for courage, times for humility, and times for strength. Now let's look at the exterior. The Raptor stands tall, aggressive styling, wide body, massive 37-inch tires on the R model, LED headlights with signature lighting, the massive grille with Ford spelled across it boldly. It's not shy, it makes its presence known. Yet, no matter how intimidating or bold, we are reminded that true strength lies not in appearance but in character. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The strong is not the one who overcomes others by his strength, but the one who controls himself in anger." This truck may be powerful, but its real strength is in its control, in its design, and in the intelligence behind it. The Raptor's frame is made from high-strength boxed steel. Its military-grade aluminum body resists rust and damage. It's built to last. Likewise, we are told to build our hearts and character with strength and resiliency through prayer, fasting, and remembrance, because the terrain of life is full of tests. Let's talk about performance. The Raptor can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5.3 seconds. The R model in under 4 seconds. For a truck, that's astonishing. But it's not just about speed. It's about balance. Speed when you need it. Control when it matters. As the Quran teaches us, and do not walk upon the earth exultantly. Indeed, you will never tear the earth apart, and you will never reach the mountains in height. Sira al-Isra, 1737. Even if your vehicle can climb dunes and dash through valleys, remember humility is key. In terms of utility, the Raptor is a beast. Towing capacity is up to 8,200 pounds.